5 tools to create a fully functional website 100% free. Today we will talk about top 5 ones which are very easy to use but provide a lot of features. First is Google Sites. It is good for small websites like portfolio, home-based businesses. No need to buy hosting. Drag and drop editor is available. Integrates well with other Google tools like Docs, PPT. These are easy to embed. Auto-optimized for multiple devices means creates responsive websites. Google Sites are secure as these are hosted on Google secure servers. Google Analytics can be configured. Google Sites are auto-indexed by Google, hence available in Google Search. Custom domain can be configured as well. Second platform is Wix. It is good for fully functional website even with e-commerce. No need to buy hosting for small websites. Drag and drop builder is provided. A lot of free templates are available as well. Lot of features like form, chatbot can be added for free. Site is optimized by default for different devices, hence these will be responsive. Custom domain can be configured as well. Third but most popular platform is WordPress. WordPress is powering more than 43% of the internet. No need to buy hosting for small websites, but recommended to buy for large websites and businesses. Lot of themes and page builders are available for free. Drag and drop options are available. 100% responsive websites are created. Lot of plugins available for any features which you want to add on websites. Examples are e-commerce, chatbot, forms, social share and lot more. Free plugins are available for multi-language websites as well. Can be integrated with CRM. It has free plugin for HubSpot. Next is HubSpot Website Builder. It is 100% free for basic websites. Free drag and drop builder. Creates responsive websites. Forms can be used. Integrates with other sales and marketing tools of HubSpot. Hence, analytics and tracking of website is provided easily. Allows to create personalized content along with A/B testing. Free and easy integration with HubSpot CRM, payment gateway and more. Last but not the least is Weebly. Weebly should be used for basic websites. It has free drag and drop builder. It has various components available for site analytics, forms and more. Social media integration is provided as well. Has online store option, different themes can be selected. So choose your favorite platform and get going. Create as many websites as you like. Practice and this can become one of the employment skill. If this helps, please hit like, share and subscribe to encourage us to do better.